Hey guys, I'm back, and we're spray painting Nerf guns again. Yeah, you guessed it. With Hayden and this guy, drunk man. Dude, Mateo's a drunk man here. So I have my airsoft gun and my what's it called again? Oh yeah,
Modulus.
Nerf gun.
Modulus.
And Hayden's doing his rough cut. And he has
two
these,
ones. Go get
these
it.
two.
And whatever that thingy my bob. And
Two Hayden's.
red fire.
Yeah. So see you later. Bye. Okay guys, I'm gonna spray paint the other side of this Nerf gun. And you guys can watch. Can't stop it.
When you do green machine versus red machine,
If you want.
how long did it take to dry?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Okay guys, we'll see you in a second when they're dry. Guys, they just dried. Look pretty cool. This one's a little messy, but whatever. This one, mine, Caden's, mine, and yeah.
Yes, it still works.
You guys.
That's
Wait.
the most important part. If it didn't work.
Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye.